In the first question of exercise 2.3, it is asked, find the remainder when x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1 is divided by x plus 1. So, in the previous classes, we have already studied long division method. First, let's give a review to it. We have to divide x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1 by x plus 1. To make x cube, we are going to multiply it by x square, x into x square, x cube, 1 multiplied by x square, change the sign, 3x square minus x square, 2x square, copy the next variable. Now we have to convert x into 2x square. So we are going to multiply it by 2x. X multiplied by 2x will be 2x square. 1 multiplied by 2x will be 2x. Again sign change. 3x minus 2x, x. Copy the next variable. X into x, multiply x. We have to keep x as it is. So we are going to multiply it by 1. So our remainder here is 0. In the question we are asked to find the remainder. So our remainder is 0. Now see how long this method, as the name says, long division. Now let's look at how we are going to solve this question in minutes. That is by remainder theorem. What remainder theorem states is that let px be any polynomial of degree greater than or equal to 1. Our polynomial here is x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1 and degree is 3, greater than or equal to 1. Now rule is, if px is divided by any linear polynomial, please note that remainder theorem is applicable when our divisor is a linear polynomial. X minus a, then remainder is pa. Now what is a here? See, in the previous video we have discussed how to find zeros of any linear polynomial. How we were used to solve that. For example, linear polynomial is x minus a. First we will equate it to 0. It will be equals to 0 when x is equals to a. So x equals to a is the 0 of this linear polynomial. So here what I am going to do is, first I am going to find the 0 of the linear polynomial, that is our divisor. Next, that 0, the value of x for at which the linear polynomial is 0, we are going to put that value in the dividend. Let's see it by an example. For example, in this case, our divisor was x plus 1 and our dividend is x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1. This is our px, any polynomial with degree greater than or equals to 1. First, what we have to do, we have to find the 0 of the linear polynomial. The 0 of this linear polynomial is equals to 0, x equals to minus 1. X equals to minus 1 is the 0 of the linear polynomial. Now put x equals to 1 in the dividend. When I am going to put minus 1 in place of x, it will become minus 1 cube plus 3 into minus 1 square plus 3 into minus 1 plus 1. The cube of minus 1 will be minus 1. Square of minus 1, 1, and 3 multiplied by 1 is 3. 3 into minus 1, minus 3 plus 1. See, remainder also here is also 0. So either you can solve it by long division or by remainder theorem, but with a remainder theorem it is very quick and easy. Let's solve other parts of this question. In the second part, our divisor is x minus 1 by 2. First we have to find the 0 of this linear polynomial. So just equate it to 0. So x equals to 1 by 2 is the 0 of the linear polynomial. Now put value of x equals to half in the dividend. What is our dividend? X cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1. So 1 by 2 whole cube plus 3 1 by 2 square plus 3 1 by 2 plus 1. Let's solve this. Cube of 1 by 2 1 by 8, 3 by 4, 3 by 2 plus 1. Take the LCM and add them all. Your answer will be 27 by 8. So remainder is 27 upon 8. In the third part, the divisor is x. So for the 0 of this linear polynomial, just equate to 0. So x equals to 0 is the 0 of the linear polynomial. Now in the dividend, put 0 in place of x. So it will be 0 cube plus 3 into 0 square plus 3 into 0 plus 1. Anything multiply by 0? 0. The only number left is 1. So our remainder will be 1. In the next part, the divisor given is x plus pi. Again, first you have to find the 0 of the divisor. Divisor here is x plus pi. Just equate it to 0. It will become x equals to minus pi. Now put x equals to minus pi in our dividend. So in place of x I am going to write minus pi. Minus pi whole cube, 3 into minus pi square, 3 into minus pi plus 1. It will become minus pi cube plus 3 pi square minus 3 pi plus 1. This is our remainder. In the fifth part, it is asked the divisor is 5 plus 2x. First we are going to equate it 0 to find the 0 of this linear polynomial. It will become 2x equals to minus 5 and value of x will be minus 5 upon 2. Now put this value of x in the dividend or in the given polynomial. Polynomial here is x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1. In the place of x I am going to write minus 5 by 2. So it will become minus 5 upon 2 whole cube plus 3 into minus 5 by 2 whole square, 3 multiplied by minus 5 by 2 plus 1. Now the cube of 5, 125, cube of 2, 8, square of 5, 25, square of 2, 4, 3 5s are 15. Take the LCM. LCM will be 8 and you will get the remainder as minus 27 by 8. This is your answer. Now let's come to question number 2. In the question number 2 it is find the remainder when x cube minus ax square plus 6x minus a is divided by x minus a. Now after understanding the remainder theorem, I am pretty sure you don't want to try long division method. So just apply remainder theorem in this question. By remainder theorem, our polynomial px in this case is x cube minus ax square plus 6x minus a, and the linear polynomial is x minus a. So the 0 of this linear polynomial x minus a equate to 0. 0 will be x equals to a. Put the value of x equals to a in the polynomial. In the place of x, I am going to write a minus a into a square, 6 into a minus a. It will become a cube minus a cube plus 6a minus a. So remainder here is 5a. This is your answer. In question number 3, it is asked, check whether 7 plus 3x is a factor of the polynomial 3x cubed plus 7x. Now when a divisor is going to be a factor, when remainder is equals to 0. So if in this case our remainder is 0, we will see that 7 plus 3x is a factor, otherwise it is not. So our linear polynomial will be 3x plus 7. First find the 0 of the linear polynomial. It will be x equals to minus 7 by 3. Now put this value of x in your given polynomial. Px is 3x cubed plus 7x. In the place of x, I am going to write minus 7 by 3. 3 into minus 7 by 3 whole cube plus 7 into minus 7 by 3. Cube of 7 will be 343 and cube of 3, 27 minus 49 by 3. Take the LCM. You will get remainder as minus 490 upon 9, which is not equals to 0. So 7 plus 3x is not a factor of the given polynomial.